Okay guys, we're in the Star Tours lane. Let's see what we see, shall we? Hey Elise?
Yeah.
Star Tours, right?
Yes.
Look, R2-D2.
R2, I seem to be getting an unusual reading from the binary motivator. Perhaps we should run a systems check. Why anyone would want to race around the galaxy is quite beyond me. I'm certain you're wonderful. I get it. Really, quite lovely. Sort of thing.
R2.
Hey, listen.
Attention please. Galactic Security would like to remind you to keep carry-on luggage and packages with you at all times. Never accept packages from any life form or droid you are not familiar with.
You don't hear that, R2? We must all be vigilant. Spies here? They don't look suspicious to me at all. Strange, perhaps, but you'll have to excuse R2. Sometimes he can be a bit too vigilant. Stop being paranoid, R2, and get back to work. They'll be needing this transport any moment. What do you mean you are doing all the work, you ungrateful little twit? I've just about had enough of you.
Your attention, please. Galactic regulations state that all interplanetary travelers present a current passport and the necessary visas prior to leaving the spaceport. Passengers requiring assistance should visit the nearest spaceport information kiosk. Thank you.
Let us load this
Where are we going now, ladies?
Star Wars.
Star Tours. Whole version of
I have this very important job. And this restraining order. Yep, I'm not going anywhere. Anyone any suits for the hollow test tournament? Well, a little bit of advice. Let the Wookiee win. Hey, who here is flying for the first time? Anyone? Is this your first flight? Don't worry, there's no need to be nervous wrecks. You have a great flight. I'm sure it will be a smooth one. Is that a dog or a man? I have no idea. It looks pretty goofy to me. I love this job, and I'm good at it too. I am always vigilant. That's right. I don't fiddle around. No sir. Hey! Here comes another bag. They never stop. Ever. Isn't that great? I don't know what I'd do if the bag stopped coming. Why, I'd have no purpose in life. Oh, that's a scary thought. Let's clear it, shall we? Clear. Oh, I didn't mean the bag. Oh well, so let it go. Clear the thought, clear the bag. Who's gonna know?
D290, are you checking every bag?
Yes, sir. Wow, he is good. Oh, the person. Why do hands always travel in pairs? Because you never see Han Solo. Get it? Han Solo. Oh, would you look at that? Clones. We get them from time to time. Although these are not identical. I see a difference in their noses.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can't almost liquid. Last time my wires got wet, I short-circuited and wound up repeating myself every 20 minutes. It was a nightmare. Give it a try. Keep it moving, keep it moving. You know I'm missing the Boom to E pod race for this. I must really learn my job. They tell me I need a vacation, but vacations are for the weak. Sorry, enjoy your
You only have 4 cabins up instead of usual 6.
Geez, it's still working, right?
Well, we close it purposely because it gets less crowded this time of day. All right, we're gonna head down to gate A. Head on down to gate A. Thank you. Have a good flight. We're heading down to gate A.
Hey,
Down by the gate.
hey.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
You need glasses?
Yeah, you need your glasses, sorry.
Please.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, sorry for your
Thank you.
Thank you, how many? You have to answer.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please
I
proceed
can't hear a word
directly
you're
across
saying,
the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened, and please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
Oh, that little robot fell down.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding. Want to stay in the middle?
We have to keep moving, please.
Alright, hello, space travelers! Welcome to Star Tours! My name is Kaylee. I'll be helping you get ready for your flight today. So make sure those carry-on items go underneath your seat and behind your seat, that your seatbelt is fastened from the right to the left, and that your seatbelt is right against you. My travels in these far routes, you got your arms, you have legs, those left doors are folded down.
Nope. If that's what you want.
Oh, your cup? Oh, yeah, probably all over it. It's fine.
My first row, you gotta take a look at your seatbelt. It's hard to get sometimes. Can you go forward a little bit? Yeah, it's right here. Why does Friends take sometimes it works to like stand up. They're so awkward.
Yeah.
Are they
Like right underneath this one. If you want to stand up, stretch it all the way. Thank you so much, guys. Alright, friends, please remember that you need to stay seated and seatbelted throughout the entire flight. Please keep an eye on all members of your party, especially your children. There's a yellow tab on each of your seatbelts. We're going row by row. I need to see a tab on that yellow tab. My row B1, Kenobi. Thank you. My row 2, D2. Thank you, my 3, D0. Thank you, may the 4th row be with us. Thank you, and revenge of the 5th row. Thank you. Please remember those doors be closing those lights be doing. You can put on the flight glasses, make sure your mask stays on and over your nose for the entire flight. Safest of travels, everyone. May the force be with you because I will not. Alright, this is where I say goodbye. Go ahead and say it back as loud as you can so R2 knows you're ready to fly. Goodbye!
My glasses fogged up because of the mask.
Oh, I think that's the way it is. I thought you weren't going to wear them.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What?
Auto takeoff sequence initiating.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention. All transport hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Here.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Shields on R2. Where are we going? This is madness! Otto, don't you dare make the jump to light speed! Where are we now? The Wookiee planet. Your troopers, what are they doing here? I'm afraid you're not really allowed to be there. Otto, hit the brakes! It worked! Not this way, Otto! I'm sorry! Hang on! The transmission. Now what?
I am Princess Leia of Alderaan. We've placed a rebel spy vital to the survival of the rebellion into your star speeder. You must see them safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Star Tours. You're my only hope.
Only hope. What do you mean we'll be making a slight detour? Shields up, Otto! I wasn't programmed for this! That's right! Got to get them off before they rip us apart! Let's turn the controls! Pull out! R2, pull out! you show this the right way? They're not going the wrong way. We are, you nitwit! Look out on a platform. Let's land there. Thank the maker.
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe?
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We're on your deck, Captain.
Captain? Glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. And thank you for flying Star Tours.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
Get in front of us. Count till you're done.
Release, come on, release.
For the first time we did it, there was
What do you think?
I feel so.
She doesn't like motion drive rides. That was Star Tours. Thumbs up for me.
Thumbs down for me.
No, he doesn't like. But R2 was there.
Woohoo! R2 was there. Woohoo!